Stock number 41007R. It's a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta. It does have a key, it does not start. See, the front bumper's no good, the hood's no good, headlights no good, the grill's no good, the radiator's damaged. See, the fender's good, passenger door's good, back door's good, quarter panel's good. The deck lid is good. Rear bumper's got a little paint problem over there. Quarter panel's good. Got some dents in the quarter panel. Front fender's no good. Driver and the passenger roof airbags are deployed. The steering wheel airbag's deployed. It does have a key. It does not start. Seats are manual. Seatbelt's locked. Passenger roof airbags deployed. The driver roof airbags deployed. I mentioned that already. Your seatbelt's good. Seatbelt's good. Seatbelt's locked. This is stock number 41007R. It's a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta. It does have a key. It does not start.